In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable interactive presentation using hyperlinks in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to turn a static deck into an engaging interactive experience, where viewers can jump to sections or visit external resources with a single click. Start by opening your presentation in Canva. Take a moment to look over your slides and decide which elements should be clickable. These might be a table of contents, navigation buttons, icons, or images that direct people to more information. Click the specific text box button or image you want to make interactive. A good rule of thumb is to use elements that already look like controls, such as clearly labeled buttons, so your audience instantly understands they can click them. Next, add your link. With your element selected, click the three-dot icon in the top toolbar and choose Link. If you prefer shortcuts, use Ctrl-K on Windows or Cmd-K on Mac. Both options open the same link panel, so go with whichever feels faster for you. Now set the destination. For internal navigation, select a page from the pages in this document list. This is perfect for creating a menu slide that jumps to specific sections or for building branching paths, like Learn More or Back to Home. For external links, type or paste a complete URL to send viewers to a website. Double-check that the address is correct and includes the HTTPS prefix to ensure the link works reliably. Keep your external links relevant and concise. Your audience will appreciate not being sent on a wild goose chase. Click Done to apply the link. If you linked text, you'll notice it's underlined by default. If you prefer a cleaner look, click the underline icon in the top toolbar to toggle that off. If you remove the underline, maintain clear visual cues, use a contrasting color, bold button styles, or consistent placement so viewers still recognize it's clickable. Time to test. Click Present and interact with your elements to make sure each one goes exactly where it should. If something doesn't work, exit Present, select the element, and update the link. When you are happy, export your file as PDF standard. This format preserves your hyperlinks so they remain clickable across most PDF viewers. Keep in mind that video or image exports won't keep links active. That's it. Thanks for watching.